Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to do an unboxing setup review of the Fire Tablet 7. Now this is a couple years old now, but I got it on Curry's on a good deal. It was on sale anyway, but then I got a code and I got it for 25 quid, which is really good for this. So it's only a 16GB one, but if you look on the back it says it's expandable to 512 with a micro SD card, and I've got a 64GB one laying around, so I'll put that in here. 7-inch display, quad core, dual band Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras. So yeah, this is the black one. Let's get into it. Now how they make these so cheap is this, have got ads on it, so there's ads on the lock screen, but I believe there's a way to get rid of that. And they don't have the Play Store, which is annoying. It's got the Amazon one, which you can't get YouTube on. You can get everything else pretty much, but not YouTube and some games and stuff. So I'll make a separate video on how you get the Play Store. Here it is. Put the Amazon logo on the back. Well, that's a lot smaller than I expected it to be fair. I don't think there's much else in the box, it's a very small box. Yeah, just a power cable. Oh, there's actually a power brick in there. I didn't think there'd be enough room. And then there's the instruction booklets and English, UK, Kingdom, connecting to a network. We are Talk. I'll do the charger. Yeah. Register your Fire, Amazon. Don't know what to use for that, whether to use mine or ask my mum to use hers. Right, so I've done that. Yeah, alright. I don't think I'll be taking many photos and videos on this anyway.
From watching movies and reading books to asking Alexa for the weather, there are many.
Set a screen lock, I can do that. Just the basic 1, 2, 3, 4. No. I hate how they make the no buttons like really small. Takes the mick a bit. Download free apps and games. Do you know what? Yeah, alright. Get BBC iPlayer, Netflix and TikTok. Continue. Download. I want a lot more apps, but I'm gonna look at getting the Play Store before I do that. Yeah, so it looks quite nice, quite a nice little tablet. So I've got a couple of apps downloaded. I'm going to use it for a couple of days. It's uploading all my pictures to Amazon Photos. But yeah, I'm going to install the Google Play Store on here and I'll make a video on how to do that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next. Well, so yeah, we'll be back in a couple. Hello guys, so it's been about a couple of weeks, I think, since I've had the tablet, and I'm actually filming on it right now. I think both the front and back cameras are 720p. They're not the highest quality, but let me show you the back one. So yeah, here's the back camera, here's my PC setup. Xbox, yeah, the frame rate's not really the best, but I paid £25 for this tablet. It's like, I'm not going to beat around the bush. It's not fast, it's not snappy, it's not the best quality. But if you get it on a good deal like I did, for £25, it's fucking like, well, why not? It's £25. At the end of the day, if you don't like how fast it is, just, I don't know, don't use it. It's not like you've thrown it's not like you've thrown a lot of money down. These originally are £50, and I honestly, like, you think, why, they're selling tablets for so cheap. How do they make a profit? But these are comparable in specs to a Nexus tablet from like 2013, and they sell them cheaper if you get ads on the lock screen. And yeah, they make a lot of money from just because it's an Amazon tablet, and they make loads of money off of these, of like advertising the other Amazon products as well. So that's how they make a lot of the money off of these. But like, I mean, I'd say this is probably more towards kids and maybe old people who aren't very technical and won't know, like, and won't have comparable things. Like, they won't be like, oh, this is really slow compared to my phone, because, like, you know, screen's only 7 inches. You can get the bigger ones. I think like, I wish I just spent some extra money and got the new HD8. But I'll have this for a bit. I'll see whether it's any good, and then I'll consider like buying something else maybe. But these don't have the Google Play Store on them. But I've filmed a video of me getting that back. But I think I'm just going to scrap it because it wasn't a very well made video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.